Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install AVAST antivirus on your Windows 10 operating system. So procedure is pretty straightforward. You just need to search for AVAST on your favorite browser, and the first link which will appear here will be from avast.com, free antivirus and VPN. So I'm going to just click on this link. And now here when you scroll down, you will see this button here, which is download free protection for Windows. I'm going to just click on this button, which is going to download the executable file for Avast. So you can see this file is downloaded really fast. So I'm going to just click on this file, exe file, and then click on yes, and I'm going to minimize the browser. And you can see this startup window started for the installation. And now I can see this window. So here it says, by installing or using the product, you agree to its end user license agreement. So I can just click on install button, and you will see this progress bar here on the right hand side of your Windows 10 operating system. So just wait for this process bar to reach to the end. So I will wait for this to finish, and once this process is finished, you can see this window will be launched, and you will also see this Avast icon on your Windows desktop. So the first window looks like this. You just need to click on the continue button here, and if you want to run your first scan, you can click on this button, but I'm going to just close this. And next I will see this window which says this computer is protected. Avast installation is finishing, and the progress is up at 45%. So I can just wait for this process to finish. And if you want, you can also go to this section here where it says protection, and you can choose one of these options from here. So virus scan, core shield, virus chest, Wi-Fi inspector, and these are, I think, logged features. These features you will get after upgrading the Avast version, but these four features are open, which is virus scan, Wi-Fi inspector, core shield, and virus chest. So you can scan your PC for viruses and check your Wi-Fi using this Wi-Fi inspector. So there are lots of features which this free Avast antivirus provides, so you can use all those features. So this is how you can download and install Avast antivirus on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.